Привіт-привіт, мої дорогі друзі! Мене звати Інна. My name is Inna. Вітаю вас на каналі Speak Ukrainian. Welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. I haven't talked to you for a while. I missed you a lot. There was a reason why I was not present at my favorite YouTube channel. So I would like to talk about it. So actually I left America. My Fulbright program is over, and also I would like to tell you why I'm not going to teach the Ukrainian language at the universities anymore. And I have one very exciting news for you. My amazing, the best and the most popular Ukrainian language school on the web, Speak Ukrainian, is turning 5 years this month. So we prepared some gifts for you, so I will tell you more about it at the end of this video. So please subscribe, like this video and leave your comments about it. Ну що, почнімо? Let's get started. 1 year ago, I got a Fulbright scholarship that gave me an opportunity to teach Ukrainian language courses at the University of Texas in Austin. So I was there 9 months, like the whole academic year, and I had an honor to teach Ukrainian language courses, specifically first and second year Ukrainian, at the University of Texas at the Department of Russian and East European Studies. Yeah, of course, the teaching experience was very good. The students were amazing, and I had a pleasure also to conduct a Ukrainian speaking club every week where we could practice speaking Ukrainian language. It was very nice. I'm very happy to have this experience, and also I met amazing Ukrainians in Austin who participate actively to develop and grow the Ukrainian community there. That was a very good experience. But unfortunately for me it was very difficult to teach at the Russian and East European studies, because 90% there is everything about the Russian language and Russian culture. So yeah, and unfortunately like people who work there, of course for them that's okay, but for me, as for the Ukrainian person, it was very painful that when I come there I see that there are like books about all the books about the like Russia, Russian writers, poets, etc. You can see these posters about the Soviet Union, about the like the portrait of the Russian musicians, writers, etc. And they're like Russian samovar, all this kind of balalaika bullshit stuff. And for me it's kind of weird because it's like called Russian and East European Studies, or like it's also like the center of East European and Eurasian studies, but there were no any evidence of other cultures there, like Ukrainian, Polish, maybe like, you know, Romanian, Czech, etc. Everything was about the Russian language, and was like quite weird to me, and it was difficult to hear that people speak Russian there all the time, and like almost all the events were around the Russian culture, etc. So I don't understand that. And of course some people, they just like, oh yes, it's just like this is the language of our enemy, we have to learn it. Okay, I understand that, but why do you like praise and like so much about this Russian culture, blah blah, especially when they have this horrifying war that lasts already for more than 3 years, and Russian culture kills, Russian language kills, and it's horrible, and therefore I made a decision that I'm not going to teach the Ukrainian language at the universities anymore, specifically this Russian and European studies, blah blah blah, because there should be a decolonization of the Ukrainian studies. It should be like a separate like as the separate branch, but unfortunately I don't think that it will happen during the next several years, maybe 10 years, who knows, because the most important thing is money. There should be some sponsors, or the government should support the development of the studies, but unfortunately we all our strength is on the war. Yeah, we want just to stop this war, but again, it's very difficult, and I hope it will happen soon, and we will, at the end, we will have this bright future and everything. But despite that, I will keep doing my mission, spreading the beautiful Ukrainian language and culture in the world with the help of my school Speak Ukrainian. And I'm very happy that I created this amazing project 5 years ago. Oh my God. Actually, I want to tell you that I have been teaching Ukrainian language for second language learners for 9 years already. Crazy. But I founded my school Speak Ukrainian 5 years ago in 2020 during the coronavirus times. And I was so enthusiastic about it. I had so many ideas. I really was into that. And at the beginning, I was doing lots of tasks by myself. I was administrator, I was a designer, I was a video editor, video creator, content creator, etc. I did everything by myself, and it was very difficult, but I really love it. And step by step, my school started to grow. And as of May 2025, I have a huge team of 30 people. My school has 30 people who work for it, and together we have this mission to develop and spread the beautiful Ukrainian language. And I have, among these 30 people, 17 people are professional teachers from Ukraine who have master's or PhD degree in linguistics. So if you want to learn the beautiful Ukrainian language, you're welcome. At our website speak.com, you can book a trial lesson just for $1. And at this trial lesson, you will have a conversation with a methodologist of our school who will determine your goal, your level, if you have learned Ukrainian language before, and pick up the right tutor for you. So I guarantee that we have an amazing and professional team that was selected personally by me. Okay, guys, so yeah, I left America and now I'm in the UK. I came back to the UK because this is the country where I have a visa and a possibility to keep working and living and developing my career, because unfortunately my native city Kherson and the Kherson region where I come from and where is my parents' house is still under the Russian occupation, and unfortunately I can't come back there. I lost my home, so therefore when my program and my visa, American visa, finished, I had to come back here. So, and now, you know, that I had this time when I had just to finish the term at UT. I had all these exams and farewell party with my students, pack my stuff and come back to London. And now I have finally more free time to keep creating video content for you. And by the way, I created some more learning materials and I will tell you more about it. Okay, guys, about the gifts that I promised to tell you how to get them. As our school Speak Ukrainian, I say our because I have a huge team, it's not only me, celebrates 5 years. Oh my God, I feel like this is my baby, that I felt like I was pregnant and then I got this baby in 2020, and then step by step I taught it how to how to walk, how to speak, how to everything, and now it's just like 5 years. Oh my God. So guys, what do you have to do? So since May 14 until May 28, you have to purchase any kind of product at our website speaker.com that starts from $20, and you if you purchase it, if you want to increase your chances, you can buy more products that starts from $20. One purchase is one ticket, one chance to win such gifts. The first gift, you will have a one-on-one 60-minute lesson with me. And I promise it will be very interesting, fun, and useful. I will prepare a lesson plan according to your goal, and also we will have a very interesting and productive lesson, I promise. And after it, you will have the learning materials and recommendations how you can keep improving your language journey. Also, we will gift you the gift cards, $50, $100, and $200, and you can win my the most popular textbook, Master Ukrainian Cases. So guys, I invite you to participate because these gifts are amazing and they will help you to improve your language level. And we will announce the winners on May 30 at 6 p.m. Kyiv time. There will be a live stream on this YouTube channel. So please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave your comments about it. I would like to hear your opinion about this Russian East European studies. Maybe you also had an experience taking the Ukrainian language courses at these departments. What do you think? And also I accept your congratulations messages here. Thank you so much. Дуже дякую for watching this video till the end. Thank you so much for keep supporting and learning the beautiful Ukrainian language. I appreciate it so much, and together we move Ukraine to the victory till the end of this horrifying war. And I keep believing in the bright future of Ukraine. And everything will be Ukraine. Усе буде Україна. Дуже дякую і до зустрічі. Па-па. Bye-bye.